Microform cannot be checked out, so you must view it in library only. But you can use a machine called a Microform scanner to read, scan, digitize, and save to USB, print, or email yourself any information you might want to review again. The Microform scanner in Bata Library is located in the second floor Community Computer Lab in the row closest to the oversized book shelving. You load Microform into this machine exactly the same as you did with the Microform viewer. Pull the tray out until the glass lifts, feed your film through, and slide the tray back. Like the viewer, you can move the tray to adjust the film's position under the camera. The wind and rewind buttons are also the same, gray for slow and red for fast. On the attached desktop computer, sign in using the local login credentials posted near the machine. Once you're signed in, open the View Scan Premium app. Doing so should open a screen that offers 3 different modes. Simple offers viewing and capture options with limited editing capabilities. Standard offers some basic editing tools, and Advanced gives the user access to a wider range of image viewing, editing, and capture tools, as well as provides more significant output options. I recommend you select Advanced mode. Once you've selected your operating mode, the program will open and automatically turn on the connected Microform scanner. Now let's walk through the basic image adjustment settings on the computer program. At the bottom of the screen, you will see the same red and gray arrows as on the tray of the scanner. They serve the same purpose: wind and rewind through the film. At the top of the screen, under the Browse tab, there are many tools to physically and digitally adjust the quality of the Microform's on-screen image. These include digital and camera zoom, camera focus, image mirroring or rotation, as well as picture adjustments like brightness, contrast, and inverted coloring. When you've found a place in your Microform that you'd like to save or review later, and you're happy with your picture settings, you can use the Capture Full Frame button on the bottom left of the screen to save an image of everything the scanner's camera can see. Or, you can switch to the Cropping tab to select a specific area of the screen and use the Capture Cropped Area button to save an image of just the selected area. Any captures you've taken should appear in the white box at the bottom of the screen, and they will remain there until you clear them or exit the program, even if you switch out the Microform you're viewing. When you've finished, you can move to the File tab and either print, save to USB, or email your selected captures. Captures can be exported in a variety of formats such as PDF or JPEG, and the quality of the exported image can also be adjusted. I recommend you use a USB for the smoothest export. Once you've successfully exported your captures, you can close the program and log out of the desktop. Remember to leave your workspace tidy and return the Microform to the designated refiling locations.